Hi, for this activity, I want you to play the eyeballing game. You can go and just Google that, or you can go to woodgears.ca to find this game. And in this game, you're trying to move the square that they give you to make the shape that they're asking you to shape, or to do the thing they want you to do with that square. So the first one is a parallelogram. Make a parallelogram. My time's not going to start until I start moving it. So I'm going to tell you a parallelogram means that the opposite side should be parallel. You can see that these two sides are not parallel right now. The opposite side should be parallel. And so what I want to do is move this so that not only left and right, but up and down, those are all. And then it will show you how close you got. Now, time is of the essence in this game. This one is find the midpoint. So midpoint, you say you're eyeballing it. That's the whole thing, is what do you think? Bisect an angle means cut it into two equal pieces. And every time you do something, this is supposed to be equidistant. That means the same distance from all the edges. Not even close on that one. This one, of course, the center of a circle. And then this one is to form a right angle. A right angle has a 90-degree angle. So then the convergence point, if you extended each of these arrows out and they all were going exactly out, where would they meet? And so you can usually see by like taking one. See how this one's, the one on the top left is still bent quite a bit, so that can't be it. But I can't find a good one here. Oh my goodness, I wasn't even close. That's the idea. And then they take you back through everything 3 times in this game. So you're going to play this game to the end. And hopefully you'll do better than I am. You can play it multiple times. For some people, it can become addictive. You can have your kids do it and see how they do it in comparison, or your partner. And then you want to take a screenshot at the end, and I'll show you how to do that. I can't find it. Let's see about that midpoint, equidistant thing. I've not been too good at those, but I'm also talking. I think this is the one that I'm terrible at. Equidistant from the sides. Not so bad that time. Center of a circle, I'm really not terrible on that one. And then, there we go. I got that one pretty close. I think you get the idea, but I'm going to show you the screenshot at the end, so I got to finish it. Okay, so now it showed me my score and the score distribution. So this is from statistics. You know, we can make distributions of those kind of things. So this is kind of interesting. And it shows here I am at 12. Now, I played this game without talking once before, and I scored 8.15, and so I was back up here. Now, in talking, I didn't do as well. But if I was to play it over and over again, then I would start moving to the left. Most people would. They'd get better at it. But now I'm going to take a screenshot of this. I want this. I'm going to take a screenshot by just actually hitting print screen PRT-SC on my computer, and that saves it into what I want to put it into. Then I'm going to open up Paint, and most laptops or whatever will have a Paint program. Mine's on my favorites because I use it so much. And then while I'm in Paint, I'm going to paste. I can left click and paste, or I can just paste from the actual button. And there's my eyeballing game screen that I saved. And what I want to make sure I have in this is the my name, because whenever you finish your score, put your name in so we can see your name there in the bottom right. If it's too big, it depends on what size your screen is. You can resize this. I'm going to just go with 90 just to get it a little bit better fit in there. And that shows my name for sure in the eyeballing game, which is what I want to make sure is in there. Then I'm going to select the area by clicking on that dotted line. I don't need that nest add, but and then I'll hit crop. And so that's what I'm going to have to show to the instructor. I'm going to upload that document. I can save it as a PNG or something like that, and then I can upload that. Okay, have a fantastic day. We'll see you next time.